Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme 9 Pro to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both of them, clicking on the search bar and typing in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Over here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, you can finally click on Receive on an Android and Send on Realme. Then click on all of those dots and tap on Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file. This photo, for example, choose Send and tap on Got It. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and click on Receive. But we can also scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app. Come on! While using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!